Okay, let's proceed with the part 3. So we need to compute for the third quartile. So first, we need to know first our quartile class. So the formula for the quartile class is NK divided by 4. So our N, total number of data is 50. So therefore, we write 50 here. 50 multiply our K. So since it is third quartile, so we need to write 3. So 50 times 3 divided by 4. Then 50 times 3, the answer is 150 divided by 4. Then using your calculator, we can get 37.5. 37.5. So this is now our quartile class. So we need to find the location of 37.5. So let's start here. Below 4, so it's not here. Below 12, it's not here. Below 23, it's not here. Below 32, it's not here. Below 44, so it belongs to this class. Okay, so we need to mark this class. Okay, so this is now the location of our third quartile. So then let's use the formula for the third quartile. So third quartile is equal to LB, lower boundary, plus NK divided by 4 minus cumulative frequency before our quartile class all over or divided by frequency of the quartile class, then multiply with our class width. Then let's substitute lower boundary. So we need to look at the lower boundary. So the lower boundary is 20.5. So we need to write here 20.5. So 20.5 plus NK over 4. So our quartile class value is 37.5. 37.5 minus, okay, so cumulative frequency before our quartile class. So this is 32. So we need to write 32 divided by F, our frequency of the quartile class, which is 12. So this is 12. Okay, so right here 12. Then multiply our I or the class width. So we need to count 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So there are 5. So we need to write here 5. Then copy 20.5 plus. Okay, so using your calculator, 37.5 minus 32 divided by 12, then multiply to 5. The answer is, so round it up to 2 decimal places, so we can get 2.29. Then just simply add 20.5 plus 2.29, so we can get 22.79. So this is now our third quartile. Okay, for the interpretation, since it is third quartile, so we can use this to 75% of the learners scored or have scored less than or equal to 22.79. Okay,